Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nachos. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need a good bag of tortilla chips, your favorite shredded cheese like cheddar or Monterey Jack, and a protein such as seasoned ground beef or black beans. Don't forget fresh toppings like salsa and sour cream. Having everything ready makes the assembly process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a delicious outcome for your snack. Once your ingredients are prepped, it's time to build your nachos. Start by spreading a single layer of tortilla chips on a baking sheet. Next, evenly distribute your protein, like seasoned ground beef or beans, over the chips. Then, sprinkle a generous amount of shredded cheese. You can also add other heat-friendly toppings now, like sliced jalapenos. Now, it's time to bake your nachos to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet in the oven for about 5 to 10 minutes. Keep a close eye on them to ensure the cheese is beautifully melted and bubbly, but the chips don't burn. This step is crucial for that irresistible gooey texture. Once the cheese is perfectly melted, carefully remove the hot nachos from the oven. This is where you add your fresh, cool toppings. Pile on salsa, a dollop of guacamole, or a generous scoop of sour cream. Garnish with fresh cilantro or extra jalapenos for a kick. Serve your delicious nachos immediately to enjoy them at their absolute best.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.